All right, welcome back. Multi-view drawing 4, page 123. There's 9 drawings on this page. Opening up page 123, figure 5-7 of the CAM. So drawing for this time. Now, if we look at the drawing, the CAM A is equal to 2 5/8. I'm talking about this circle here is 2 5/8 diameter. We know that B is 1 1/4 inch diameter. This center circle is a counterbore circle. It's 1/4 inch deep, both ends. C equals 2 1/8. Talking about the height from this center to this center. D equals 9 16ths. And D is up here. E is 1 3/4. Talking about the thickness here. And F, talking about the thickness here, is 7/8. So we'll hide that screen there. Go to my drawing. Now, this is what it means by counterbore, and it's 1/4 inch on both ends. So 1/4 inch in here and 1/4 inch here. It's got a 1 1/4 through hole right through here. All right. So your counterbore is basically concentric circles that stack on top of each other. One of them is recessed into the other hole, but doesn't go all the way through the hole. All right. So now I'm gonna turn my construction lines real quick, but it's gonna be blurry because it's got a lot of lines in here. Now, what I did is I started off with my 0, 0 point, and I put my circles right there on that 0, 0 point, and everything else worked from there. Now, this is a radius up here of 9 16ths. Your radius here is 2 5/8. All right, so you see the note down here for the counterbore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slide this over. Because I was sliding it over just because it was sort of lined up on top of my diameter of my inside circle. All right. So we know this is 1 3/4 inches wide. So go back over here. I know my top part is 7/8. I know it's 2 1/8 from here to here. And I know the thickness here is all, basically it's going to look like 2 rectangles stacked on top of each other. You got to show your hidden lines in here. And once you get your front view done, you transfer all of your lines over to the right side. Transfer all your lines to your top side. That's the benefit of doing a orthographic projection. Make sure you have all your dimensions on your drawing. Let me turn off my construction lines there. We'll take a good look at it again. Nine 16th, 2 1/8, 2 5/8 is a bigger circle. You got 1 1/4 for your inside circle of your counterbore, and it's counterbored on both sides. So you got to do the recessed lines on both sides. I know it doesn't show that in your drawing example, but not always in your example do they show you what you need to do. All right. So again, it doesn't show you in the example. It's got a counterbore, but it does have it as a note. There's a counterbore here. So let's get this drawing done and get it turned.